Good morning. It is Monday and I'm starting a new week of what we took for lunches. Today I'm giving Matt a Gatorade Zero in the Cherry Glacier, a pineapple juice, and of course a water cooler. Sandwich here is on this large butter croissant. We've got chicken salad, some pepper jack cheese, spring mix, and then I did throw in a couple of these little sweet on the vine tomatoes. I love these tomatoes, they're so good. I'm also giving him some of these Blue Diamond almonds in the bold sweet Thai chili flavor. I order these snack packs off Amazon all the time. I always have them linked in my Amazon store down below. I've got some green grapes here. I just got to push them down and put the little top on, and then some Pringles. I'm probably also going to throw in either a banana or a granola bar just in case. So this is what Matt is having, and I'll show you what I am taking in just a bit. I'm getting ready to head out to work myself. Matt just left about a half an hour ago. I am bringing leftovers in this container that my friend Monique got me. Pretty sure she said she got them on QVC, but unfortunately I don't know like the name or anything of them, but it's like a 3-compartment tray. I shared this in my last lunch video, I believe. But anyways, last night I made beef meatloaf, some red mashed potatoes, and I actually used my immersion blender. Normally I just mash them by hand, and they came out super creamy, so I think I'm gonna do that from now on. And then I've got the Trader Joe's Haricot Vert green beans with a little butter, and I'll just heat this all up. It is a pretty big portion, so if by chance there's any left, I'll just bring what's left home. I'm also bringing a banana to actually have after lunch, maybe, I don't know, between like 3 and 4 o'clock, because I don't leave work till 6. I've got a water here that I want to just keep in my car. I always like to have one in my car, and I have my water cup at work, and then of course I have my coffee. And I'm getting ready to head out the door, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a blackberry ginger ale and a Dole pineapple juice. Salad that I made last night. We had a similar salad for dinner last night. So this is some breaded white meat chicken breasts, spring mix, and baby spinach. And then I've got cucumber, tomato, craisins, bacon bits, pepperoncinis, black olives, some cheese, a bunch of different stuff. I'm going to give him some of these little Thousand Island packets that I just had left in my little like condiment section in my fridge. Some extra toasty Cheez-Its. This is our favorite flavor of Cheez-Its. An orange, and one of these little like birthday cake bite things from Walmart. They're pretty tiny, and this is just the like traditional birthday cake flavor. But this is what he is having today, and we will see you later. I'm home on lunch break. I'm having some leftovers. This is some fried rice with brown rice and veggies. This is like a stir-fry veggie kit from Walmart, and then there's a bunch of shrimp mixed all in here. We had this for dinner last night, and there was some left over, so I thought I would just have it for lunch today. I already have a water, and I'm gonna have some of these grapes as well. So nothing too exciting, but I'm gonna heat this up, and we will see you tomorrow. Good morning, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Canada Dry ginger ale with orangeade, a pineapple juice, and of course the water cooler. Big butter croissant here with turkey, lettuce, pepper jack cheese, and some Thousand Island sandwich spread. Some of these Wavy Lay's Original. I bought like a variety pack with a bunch of these small size because we're having a play date with a bunch of kids, and I like to have things like this for the play date. And then this little cup here with the lid, black olives, and these sweet little cherry tomato bites, and a Golden Grams s'mores treat granola bar. And this is what he's taking today. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, and I wanted to share with you what we are having for lunch today. Thanksgiving leftovers. So these are the containers that my friend Monique sent me. She said she got them on QVC, but I don't know like what they're called. But they're really good. I've used them several times in the past few weeks that we've had them. So yesterday we went to my husband's aunt's house a couple hours away, and there was maybe 25 to 30 people there. So we had an abundance of food. Everybody took leftovers. We were actually told to bring to-go containers, so I thought these would be perfect So we've each got the same thing: turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, and this was actually my favorite thing from the dinner. It's broccoli casserole. It does not look appetizing because it's cold, but when it's fresh, like out of the oven, it's delicious. I actually want to try and get the recipe from Matt's aunt because it's so good. So we each have that, and then I also got some turkey gravy and some homemade cranberry orange sauce for, like, you know, on top. Matt doesn't like gravy or cranberry, so that's why I got them separate. So this is what we're gonna have for our lunches today, and I hope you enjoyed this week's lunch video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.